What's up, everyone? Today we are diving into one of the most hilarious collection of moments from the Big Bang Theory, a compilation that perfectly captures why Sheldon Cooper remains one of the most unforgettable sitcoms character ever created. From parking sport wars and office battles of physics, bowl disaster, and gaming meltdowns, this episode collection showcases Sheldon at his absolutely best and sometimes his absolutely worst. Let's break it all down. Section first, the parking spot war. The first major highlight is the legendary parking spot conflict between Sheldon and Howard. What makes this storyline so funny is not the parking spot itself, it is the fact that Sheldon treats a simple parking dispute like a global political crisis, while Howard sees it as a particle issue. Sheldon trumps it into a battle of right logic and intellectual superiority. The punished part. Both characters become in increasingly ridiculous while believing they are completely rational. This is classic Big Bang Theory humor, intelligent people acting completely irrational over something trivial. Section 2, Sheldon versus Dennis. That's next comes Dennis Kim, the teenage physics prodigy. For perhaps the first time, Sheldon encounters someone who might actually be smarter than him, and he absolutely cannot handle it. Watching Sheldon become jealous, defensive, insecure and defensive insecure and defensive is comedy gold because we were used to seeing him as the smartest person in every room. Dennis Stanstill becomes a younger version of Sheldon, forcing him experience what everyone else feels around him. It's like watching someone fight their own reflection. Section 3, the physics bowl choice. The physics bowl practice session is another standout moment. Instead of functioning as a team, Sheldon answers every question himself. He ignores teamwork. He ignored strategy. He ignores basic social skills. His only objective is proving that he is smarter than everyone else. The result, his teammates become frustrated enough to remove him from the team entirely. I know, ironically, the smartest person in the room creates the dumbest possible situation. The Laundry Night Revenge. One of the most underrated moments involves Penny disrupting Sheldon scared laundry Sheldon schedules. To most people, changing laundry day is not a big deal. To Sheldon, it's basically an attack on the natural order of the universe. His reaction perfectly demonstrates how dependent he is on routine and structure. The comedy comes from watching a teeny inconvenience create a massive emotional crisis. Section 5, The Epic Office War. Another hilarious storyline features Sheldon and Barry Kripke batting over office space. Instead of resolving the conflict like adults, they settle in it through absurd competition. Basketball, free throws, free throws, ball, ball bouncing contest. At one point, highly educated scientists are behaving like elementary school students fighting over a playground, and somehow it works perfectly. Section C, gaming meltdown. The Xbox One versus PlayStation 4 debut remains one of the most relatable Sheldon moments ever. He spends hours researching technical specifications, RAM speed, bandwidth, hardware architecture, exclusive feature, and after all that analysis, he still cannot make a decision. It is a brilliant example of analysis paralysis and something many teach enthusiasts can completely relate to. Why these moments work. What make all of these scenes so memorable is that Sheldon never thinks he is being unreasonable. In his mind, he is always the logical one. Everyone else is the problem. That's what makes his character so entertaining. He is brilliant enough to solve incredible complex scientific problems but struggle with everyday social interaction. That contract is where most of the show's humor comes from. Final verdict. Overall, this collection delivers everything fans love about the Big Bang Theory: brilliant comedy, nerd culture reference, competitive friendship, Sheldon Cooper unmatched arrogance, and countless laugh out loud moments. Whether it's arguing over parking space, fighting co-work, co-workers, debating game consoles, and turning simple situation into full-scale war, Sheldon proves one again why he is one of the television's greatest comedy characters. Rating 9 of 10. If you are a fan of classic Big Bang theory humor, this collection is absolutely worth watching. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So like and subscribe the channel and share his friend. Thank you.